It was the way we expressed our nationality. When it strengthened our identity. And I've always believed that when Irish people of our social standing, when we got together, we sung the songs, and it strengthened our nationality and gave us power in every generation. I've always believed that the songs that you've sung this evening, like the ballad that was written by Damon O'Brien about the meaning of his wife, the song about Derry City, written by Phil Coulter, they tell us of a history. And it's a powerful tradition. And it's probably the most undervalued of all the parts of our heritage, because you don't hear those songs on radio. And we're paying the taxes for it. But we don't hear those songs. And we just take that. I was talking to Robert Bella this morning, and he was telling me as an artist that he can't get his work shown in any of the art galleries in Ireland. And I said, why is that? Why is an artist of such a great caliber, one of the most brilliant men that is represented in images that are so powerful that people have respected the world over, that can't produce and put his paintings into 3 galleries in Ireland? You know, this country needs a cultural change to value indeed the songs that we've all sung during our lifetime, to value the artists from the social bracket that you all come from, to give that an artistic value that it deserves, because it's a powerful heritage. And I'm going to sing a song. I've always believed that the songs of the 19th century that were written as resistance or to give people inspiration. And one of the most powerful poets was Leo Casey. And he wrote The Rising of the Moon, commemorating the Great Rebellion of 1798. And he wrote it, and it became hugely popular because he used an old Irish tune. And the authorities in Dublin Castle didn't like the popularity of his music and his songs and his words, because it was giving inspiration to the people, and remembering that in the 1850s this country was destitute. And he wrote this song to lift the spirits of the people. The Rising of the Moon. He knew that the people of his neighbourhood would respond to it. Leo was a teacher. His grandfather was a hedge school master. And he was put into prison in Dublin Castle in a cell that was filled with water. And he died at the young age of 26. He was killed, murdered for his music and his songs and his poetry. His poetry was beautiful, and it came to the attention of the London Illustrated News, and they wrote that it's hard to respect a man who could rile and ridicule the authorities in such beautiful language as Leo Casey could. But he wrote a great song. My grandfather sung it, and I've been singing it all my life. I asked Paddy Clancy why he chose The Rising of the Moon for their first long playing record. And Paddy said to me, simply, Derek, because of the popularity of the song across America. At every concert we were asked to sing it. And we sung it, he says, because the people felt the power of the language. It gave them inspiration. And in many ways, for that generation, it was therapeutic to hear the simple songs that had been sung around the fireside and to hear them in the greatest concert halls of the world. The Rising of the Moon. For the rising
rising of the moon, 'tis the rising of the moon. Our army boys for freedom, 'tis the rising of the moon. The rising of the moon, 'tis the rising of the moon. Our army boys for freedom, 'tis the rising of the moon. Oh, then tell me, Sean O'Farrell, tell me why you worry so. Hush, Morgan, hush and listen, and his cheeks were all aglow. I bet all this fun they have to get you ready quick and soon. For the Franks will be together at the rising of the moon. The rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon. The Franks must be together at the rising of the moon. Of the moon, at the rising of the moon, let your pikes come on your shoulder at the rising of the moon. Out of many a wood-walled cabin, eyes were watching through the night. Many a manly heart was beating for the blessed morning light. Northers ran along the valley like the banshees lonely croon, and the thousand lights are flashing at the rising of the moon. The rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, and a thousand lights were flashing at the rising of the moon. All the land that's seen, like a mass of men were seen, and above the shining ribbons of the road below grave, left the lovely forward traitor forward strike a warning tune, and a rally rise for freedom, 'tis the rising of the moon. The rising of the moon, 'tis the rising of the moon, and a rally rise for freedom, 'tis the rising of